Argentina is a vast and diverse country with a rich cultural heritage and stunning natural landscapes. Famous places in Argentina. Iguazu Falls. Located on the border with Brazil, these majestic waterfalls are among the most famous in the world, surrounded by lush rainforests. Buenos Aires, the vibrant capital city, is known for its European-style architecture, tango music, and cultural attractions like Teatro Colón and La Boca neighborhood. Perito Moreno Glacier. Situated in Los Glaciares National Park, this advancing glacier is one of the world's few that is still growing. Mendoza, Argentina's wine country, known for its vineyards and wineries, with Malbec as a signature wine. Bariloche. Nestled in the Andes, this Patagonian city is renowned for its stunning lakes, forests, and winter sports. Ushuaia. As the southernmost city in the world, it's a gateway to Antarctica and offers beautiful landscapes and wildlife. Salta, a colonial city in the northwest, known for its preserved architecture, vibrant culture, and nearby salt flats. Cordoba, Argentina's second-largest city, surrounded by the Sierras de Cordoba, offering outdoor activities and a vibrant nightlife. Valdes Peninsula, a UNESCO World Heritage Site famous for its wildlife, including whales, penguins, and sea lions. Cafayate. Located in the Calchaquí Valley, this charming town is celebrated for its vineyards and colorful rock formations. Ibarra wetlands. These extensive wetlands are home to a variety of wildlife, including capybaras, caimans, and birds. Talampaya National Park, known for its unique geological formations and ancient rock carvings. PuertoMadryn, a hub for wildlife enthusiasts, offering opportunities to see orcas, seals, and numerous bird species. Tigre, a picturesque town located on the Parana Delta, known for its waterways and boat tours. Quebrada de Humahuaca, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This gorge features colorful rock formations and indigenous culture. San Antonio de Areco, known for its traditional Gaucho culture and annual Fiesta de la Tradición. San Carlos de Bariloche, famous for its Swiss-style architecture and the delectable chocolate shops. Sierras de las Cuyadas, a national park featuring red rock formations and hiking trails. Villa La Angostura, a charming town on the shores of Lake Nahuel Huapi, perfect for relaxation and outdoor activities. Glaciar Marshall, a popular spot for skiing and snowboarding, located near Ushuaia. Famous Argentine foods, in detail. Asado. Argentina is renowned for its love of barbecue, and asado is the quintessential Argentine barbecue, featuring cuts of beef cooked over an open flame or charcoal. Empanadas. These savory pastries are filled with a variety of ingredients, including ground beef, ham and cheese, or vegetables, and are often baked to perfection. Milanesa. A breaded and fried meat cutlet, similar to a schnitzel, typically made with beef or chicken and often served with mashed potatoes or in a sandwich. DulcedeLeche. A sweet caramel-like spread made from condensed milk, enjoyed on bread, pastries, or as a filling in desserts. Matambre à la pizza. Flank steak topped with pizza ingredients such as tomato sauce, cheese, and herbs, cooked on the grill. Provoletta. A popular appetizer made with provolone cheese, often grilled and topped with spices and herbs, served with crusty bread. Chimichurri. A tangy, herb-based sauce made with parsley, garlic, vinegar, and oil, used as a condiment for grilled meats. Argentine cuisine is deeply influenced by its Gaucho culture and European heritage, offering a wide range of flavorful dishes that showcase the country's culinary traditions.